Good day. Today we are going to do triangle constructions. We have many sums here, but we've decided to do number 9. Where number 9 says, given the longest segment below as a side, the shorter segment as an altitude to the side, and then the angle as the angle opposite the given side. So construct a triangle. First thing to do when you construct a triangle, you have to draw a line segment. The line segment can be long as it can be. This arrow here also means that it can be long as it can. Then you have to have a point where you are going to start. This is where you are going to begin. You can name this point any alphabet. So we want to name it point A. We've got instructions here. We've been instructed. The long segment is a side. The shorter segment is an altitude. So this short segment is going to be our altitude. So it has to be below. Okay, let's take the distance of our segment, the altitude. So it's from here to there. So we are going to draw our arc. Yes, that's our arc. So we've got another point. We can name it later. Then we've been told that the long segment is going to be a side. So we're going to take the distance. You see? The distance of this long segment, they say it's going to be our side. We have to follow instructions. We've been given instructions. Here is our arc. So we're going to put okay, so we've got our arc. Okay, then we are going to our angle that we've been given. So take here and do an arc. Yes, this is our arc. It is this distance. Our arc. Yes. So now we are going to find the distance between these two sides of angles, which is this distance. Okay, we were supposed to draw a full arc so that we cannot be confused. Yes, so it is this distance. You've got this arc. We can name this point E if we want, any alphabet, remember. Then the distance between these two sides of our okay, so from our point E we can determine this distance. Here we go. And then we find a point here, but this is where these intersect, so alright, okay. Yeah, sorry about my campus. Let me do this. Here we go. Pause. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we've got an endpoint there. We can name this point B. We've got a point there, so we can name it point B. Then I said we can name this later on, so it's point C. Yes, it's point C. Then this side is unknown. So we're gonna go to our line segments and measure the longest one. Is it side? Okay. Yes, it fits. So we can now close this side with that long segment because it fits. Then we close our triangle. That's it.